yung nangyari before sa EDSA, what prompted the older Marcos Sato to step down was the call for civil disobedience by a lot of groups. Now, in our situation now, I still haven't heard anybody calling for civil disobedience. And probably, or because, I think this is because people are afraid that BBM will declare martial law if they will do so. What is your point on this?
Regarding civil disobedience, well, actually, there are still no cause for it because there's still a possibility of justice within the current system. So hindi pa naman yung point na sobrang lalaan to. It's only from my perspective that Marcos already has no future where he creates a proper investigation to the flood control anomalies. Kasi I've already seen what type of investigations they do in the Blue Ribbon Committees in the ICI. There's no justice there, and they're just making whatever stories they make that will save Marcos's allies while imprisoning his enemies. Regarding sa civil disobedience campaign, well, hindi manggagaling sa akin yun, but if you believe civil disobedience is the proper course of action, and there's no more hope for the Marcos administration, then I am not capable of stopping you, and I would not stop you in any way.